I'm confident, Mr. President, that everyone here in this August hall is well aware of what it truly takes to succeed. Everyone, perhaps, except for my opponents to the right, who have been misled to glorify opportunities and not the hard work and effort that lie within. Quite frankly, I find this statement rather insulting to the 1,000 years of human blood and sweat that has afforded us the world that we live in today. You see, Mr. President, Rome wasn't built in a day, and nor was it built on sheer dumb luck. Throughout history, only the greatest hallmarks of excellence have stood to be the catalysts of human progress. Not because they were lucky to stumble across the greatest accomplishments, but because they earned their due credit with the right combination of talent and hard work. Success may be many things, Mr. President, but accidental it is not. Great men do not create success from mere opportunities. Great men are successful because they possess the right qualities which enables them to create opportunity from circumstance and success from opportunity. Even when right opportunities can disappoint, if left to the disposal of lesser men who lack the aptitude to exploit them to their true potential. Alexander Fleming did not discover the revolutionary antibacterial drug penicillin because a certain fungus landed on a certain pernicious bacteria. No! Alexander Fleming discovered the revolutionary antibacterial drug penicillin because it deduced the cause and effect relationship of the event, where others did not. For all we know, Mr. President, the same fungus had landed over the same bacteria 100 times over for 1,000 different scientists before Alexander Fleming. And yet, none but him translated the right opportunity into success. We've all been told of the story of the apple that fooled Isaac Newton, which led to his groundbreaking theory of gravitation and the rest of classical physics. But I'm sure Newton wasn't the only physicist of his age to have things fallen in. I'm also perfectly sure that the story is entirely false. The truth is, Mr. President, we like to believe in stories of luck and fortune. We like to believe that we too can get that slice of the pie if we get lucky. But I tell you, Mr. President, luck is when preparation meets the right opportunity. Here we are, Mr. President, all the 12 of us at the precipice of success. I'm sure that each one of us strived hard for even this opportunity to speak this afternoon. And yet, only one shall emerge above the rest. Only one shall emerge, dare I say, successful. Now, had this opportunity defined the success, this debate would have concluded no sooner than when it had begun. For all 12 of us had found each other equally opportune. But instead, it is only true grit and eloquence that shall win over the day. Mr. President, I feel that it is needless to say at this point that success, here and elsewhere, is not simply a matter of the opportunity, but of the caliber of the man at the helm who avails it. With that, Mr. President, I rest my case.